Are you a Christian trying to navigate the complexities of modern life? Do current events leave you feeling anxious and uncertain? The intersection of Faith and Main explores how to live out your faith in a world that doesn't always share your values. Hi, I'm Greg Chandler. Join me for insightful discussions on topics like the role of politics in the life of a Christian, the impact of culture on Christians, and the vital importance of Christian fellowship in healthy churches, especially amidst the trials and potential persecution. I'll offer practical advice on how to manage news consumption and maintain a healthy perspective by focusing on the positive. Ultimately, the intersection of Faith and Main seeks to equip Christians to live faithfully and courageously in a complex and ever-changing world.
The Intersection of Faith and Main podcast, brought to you by Gooch Lane Church of Christ, premieres January 6th, 2025.